welcome to Crochet Wonderland. Don't have chunky yarn? Not a problem. I am going to teach you today how to make chunky yarn, and it's going to be so easy. Okay, I got my two colors of yarn, and they're both blue and black, and they're really nice colors to crochet with. I love crocheting with these colors. And you might be wondering, how is it even possible to make chunky yarn? Well, don't worry, it's going to be so fun, easy, and it's going to look really good. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to make the version where you are going to just use the same color. Well, for that, you're going to need 2 strands of the same color. So I got 2 strands of the same color. And now I'm going to get a 4.5 millimeter hook. And now these 2 yarns together, I'm going to make a slip knot with that. And insert my 4.5 millimeter hook. Now, yarn over, pull through. Look at that chunky chain. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. And then now let's try making single crochet. Insert, over, pull through, keep doing that. Guys, oh my gosh, wouldn't this technique be perfect for a beanie? It's so soft, so chunky. I don't find any gaps. Let's see, even a double crochet will have any gaps, which double crochet usually has gaps, so that's going to be amazing if it doesn't. And look, guys, it doesn't have any gaps. It's amazing. Yes, sometimes one strand might slip out. It's okay. It's just a little bit of frocking. Plus, it's amazing. It's nice and chunky. This is the exact same width as the plush yarn people usually have. So, would you give this a try? If you do, but you want multicolored yarn, let's do that now. Okay, I chose blue and black as my multicolored yarn, and it's the same process, but it looks really cool. It looks, to be honest, way cooler than your regular tie-dye yarn. Look at that. It looks so cool. It's like this galaxy type. But what if we try actually making something? Like, what if we try crocheting a heart? I'll crochet a heart and show you how it looks in the end. And you'll see how good this hack of color chunky yarn will look. It looks amazing, guys. Come on. It looks so cool. It's like flashes of blue, flashes of black, and it's like this cool mix. Like, it's amazing galaxy. It's so amazing. And I think you should try out this chunky yarn hack that I've been doing, because I think it's totally worth the hype. So, would you try it out? And even if you did and you liked it, that's great. So, thank you for listening to my tutorial on how to make chunky yarn. Bye!